The journey of Prophet Musa, or Moses, with Allah's righteous servant, often identified as Khidr, might just be one of the deepest lessons in the Holy Qur'an, as given in Surah AlKahf, chapter 18. Prophet Musa questioned actions that seemed unfair: a damaged boat, the death of a young boy, and the repair of a wall in a town whose people had refused hospitality. Only later did he discover that each event contained wisdom hidden from human understanding. The following commentary is mostly based on Tafheemul Quran. The narration of Moses' story here in this chapter is meant to draw both the unbelievers' and the believers' attention to an important fact. Those who are concerned with the external aspects of things are liable to draw false conclusions from their observations. This happens because people are not aware of the wisdom underlying the events that take place under God's dispensation. One frequently witnesses that the wrong-doers prosper, whereas the innocent suffer hardships. Those who disobey God and commit transgression live in great affluence, whereas those who obey God face adversities, and that the wicked enjoy the pleasures of worldly life, whereas the virtuous live in misery. Such spectacles are quite common, as we can even see in the world we live in today. Not knowing why such things happen, doubts arise in people's minds, leading them, on occasion, to have a totally false perception of things. Those who consciously disbelieve and are immersed in the perpetration of injustice and oppression are led to conclude that they live in a disordered and chaotic world, a world which has either no sovereign, or if there is any, one who must have become senseless or unjust. Hence they conclude that people may go about doing what they please, without fearing that they will be called to account. On the other hand, those who believe in God are heartbroken by what they see around them. It also often happens that when such believers are faced with severe tests, their faith is shaken to the core. It was in order to enable Prophet Moses to comprehend the wisdom underlying those events which generally baffle one's understanding that God slightly lifts the curtain from the reality which governs the workings of the world. In this way, Moses was able to appreciate that appearances are quite different from the reality. Islam teaches us to seek Allah's protection through sincere dua, while also taking lawful practical measures. If there is illness, seek medical treatment. If there is danger, take precautions. If there is financial hardship, work lawfully while trusting Allah. This balance between tawakkul, or reliance upon Allah, and responsible action is the prophetic way. May Allah protect you and your loved ones from every hardship, remove all difficulties, grant you well-being, and make every trial a means of drawing closer to Him. Ameen.